Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter F. Capital F, little f. What words begin with F? Fountain. F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. The word fountain begins with the letter F. They come in all shapes and sizes. The fountain spits water. Fern. F-E-R-N. You can tell a fern by its triangle shape. They prefer to grow in moist areas. The ferns grow lush and green. Where do they grow? Why, near the fountain. Fish. F-I-S-H. The word fish also begins with the letter F. The big ones are good to eat. My favorite is flounder. The fish swim in the cool water. What sound does the letter F represent? F. Can you say F? Very good. F, the sixth letter of the English alphabet. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.